Before the Big Bang, there was nothing. Or at least, that's what we've been told. But what if nothing is just another name for something we don't yet understand? The Big Bang marks the beginning of time, space, energy, and matter, the very fabric of our reality. And for most of modern science, it has served as the ultimate origin story. A singularity, infinitely hot, infinitely dense, exploding into everything in less than a trillionth of a second. From this one point, the universe stretched outward, giving rise to galaxies, stars, planets, atoms, light, and eventually, life. But there's a problem. If time itself began with the Big Bang, then what does it even mean to ask what came before it? Isn't before a concept that only makes sense inside time? Some scientists argue that this question is meaningless, like asking what's north of the North Pole. And yet, human curiosity is stubborn. We look into the void and refuse to accept that there was once a moment where questioning must end. And now, with new models, new math, and bold new theories, the veil of nothingness is starting to tear. Some of the world's leading physicists now believe the Big Bang wasn't the beginning at all, but a transitional phase, a moment between cosmic chapters. One theory, called the Big Bounce, suggests that our universe could be the result of a previous one collapsing inward under gravity, compressing into extreme density before bouncing back outward in what we perceive as the Big Bang. In this model, universes rise and fall eternally, expanding, contracting, dying, and being reborn, meaning what came before this universe might have been an entirely different reality with its own physics, history, and fate. Other researchers explore the idea of a quantum gravity loop, where space-time is not continuous but made up of indivisible, granular units, like the pixels of a cosmic screen. And in this scenario, the singularity isn't the end of the road, but a bridge across which the universe travels from a prior form to the current one. Then there's the boldest theory of all, the multiverse. The idea that our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic sea, where countless other universes constantly appear and disappear, each governed by different laws of physics, some stable, some chaotic, some incomprehensible. In that vast ocean, the Big Bang is not the beginning of everything, just the beginning of this. But beyond science, there is something deeply human in our desire to reach before the beginning. We are not just asking about physics, we're asking about origin, purpose, continuity. What came before the first light? What echoes through the silence that preceded creation? Was it a void or a womb? A dead silence or a hidden rhythm? Maybe before the Big Bang isn't a place in time, but a dimension of possibility we're only just beginning to imagine. And maybe, in asking the question at all, we're tapping into the oldest trait of consciousness itself, the need to understand where we came from, not just in terms of stars and atoms, but in meaning. So when we look out into the night sky, we're not just looking backward in time. We're looking for a beginning behind the beginning, a mystery older than time, hiding in the silence that birthed the cosmos.